Earl Dawson Jr., 205 Vibe, and we are at East High School today. And the vibe here at East High School today is all about giving back, doing something for someone else, and I think it's really, really special. And we are here with Andrew Martin. First, tell us about Kids Around the World, the organization, and what it is that you all do.
So Kids Around the World is a nonprofit organization located right here in Rockford. We partner with different schools, businesses, and churches to pack meals for children all over the world that need the nutrition. So we're here today packing meals with East High School.
This is the third time we've done this at East High School. This is our third annual event. It's really gratifying. It means a lot. It really warms the hearts of these kids to feel like they're part of a worldwide community and that they're helping kids who are in desperate need of nutrition. It's kind of a reality check for them, realizing, where they are in the world and how they can help other people. So it's really gratifying for the kids.
Kind of what inspired your group to kind of take on this cause?
We know that there's such a great need, not only here but in other countries all over the world. Today we're going to be packaging 10,000 meals, enough to feed 10,000 children. So in the course of about an hour and a half, these students are going to take some time after school out of their busy schedules to pack meals for these children in need.
Hey, why do you think this is important? Why are you doing this?
Well, it's important because we get to help kids out, like kids that don't have as much as most of us.
How does it make you feel, just as a student and as a person?
To be honest, it makes me feel like great inside knowing that I'm helping somebody else that's in need.
What does this do for, kind of diversifying their education? Why do you think it's important?
When they get to come do something like this, they're participating in real world activities. They're feeding kids, real kids, in other schools. And so they love the hands-on portion. They're making friendships within East that they normally wouldn't make, because you got seniors paired up with freshmen and kids who are involved in drama, talking to kids that are, engineering students. And they're having fun, and they're all making a really positive impact outside the classroom.
How would you describe the vibe of kind of what's going on right now?
It's really enjoyable. It's really helpful. Everybody here is having fun while also helping people across the globe, which is a really great thing. We're building community, we're building leadership, we're building the whole ideal of coming together and helping each other while also having fun. So it's a great way to build up the community.
These kids are having fun and they're giving back. So the vibe is happy, the vibe is good. Some of the kids are dancing around, they're having a good time.
The coolest part is that the kids involved in this, they always want to share afterwards, and they'll share in the classroom. That they'll say, I felt like I was making a difference. It gets them thinking, about doing things like going the extra mile, staying after school, and participating in things that take up some of their free time.
During high school, you want to be able to get to the activities that help you build up who you're going to be in the future, and these volunteering opportunities really help that.